In a move that has sparked widespread criticism and controversies, the Trump administration has announced an executive order that seeks to ban federal funding for gender transition care for transgender youth. The order, which was signed by President Donald Trump, aimed to restrict access to essential medical services for transgender minors, including hormone therapy and surgery. Here are some key provisions of the executive order you should know. The order directs federal agencies to exclude coverage for gender transition care under programs like Medicare, Medicaid, and TRICARE for military families. It also prohibits federal funding for health providers that offer gender transition services to minors. The order applies to individuals under the age of 19 who are seeking gender transition care. Now, the executive order has been met with widespread criticism from the transgender community, healthcare providers, and human rights organizations. Many have expressed concerns that the move will have a devastating impact on the mental and physical health of transgender youth who are already facing significant barriers to accessing essential medical care. The American Medical Association has spoken out against the order, stating that, quote, "It puts the health and well-being of transgender youth at risk," unquote. The Human Rights Campaign, HRC, has condemned the move, calling it, quote, "a blatant attack on the rights and dignity of transgender people," unquote. Now, supporters of the ban, like Elon Musk, also says the law is meant to protect the minors who cannot obviously consent to such procedures. Best-selling children author Matt Walsh lauded President Trump over the details of the executive order. In a post on X, he said, and I quote, "Read through the whole EO on child mutilation. Spectacular stuff. I couldn't have written it any better. Trump is doing literally everything he can do in his position to put a stop to this barbarism," unquote. So many controversies, I beg your pardon, surrounding the executive order as at now. As it continues to unfold, it remains to be seen how the move will impact the lives of transgender youth and their access to essential medical care. Stay tuned to the News God for more updates around the world. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.